Hello all, today in this video we are going to see another basic Python tutorial which is inheritance. So this is a continuation of the previous video only. In the previous video we would have seen the encapsulation basic concepts in Python, but in this video we are going to work with inheritance. So for that we are creating a base class and a child class which is going to use the functionalities of this base class. So the base class which we have used is vehicle and the child class is car. So first we are creating the base class vehicle. For that we are calling the constructor definition. Within that we are making the to display the brand and model of the vehicle. So it is just called like self.brand is equal to brand and self.model is equal to model, and then we are to display or return this brand and model of the base class. We are using the definition of display info, which is returning the brand name and the model name of the vehicle, which is the base class. Next we are going to make use of the child class, which is car. So since car is a child class, it is going to use all the specifications which is used in the base class, and also it can also add some additional specifications. So only within car we have called the car class, we have called the vehicle. So this is what we will be calling child class. So here also we are making an initialization. So for that, that is the constructor is used. The constructor, within constructor already within the base class we are having brand and model, so that will be automatically declared. Apart from that, child class has the capability to work with some other function. So here it is calling fuel type. So this fuel type, it should be added by using the super of function, and here the fuel type is also then added. Then we are returning this fuel type by using the definition display info self. That is previously in base class also this return function is there, right? Here also we are using. Here a child class usually overrides the method which is created in the base class. By using this, we can use reuse the code and it will save some time. So this is the advantages of inheritance. It is going to replace the self and model, and also it is going to add some field type. Next we are going to demonstrate this classes demonstration. For that we are going to make a vehicle and its name, or that is brand and model. When coming to child class, which is car, we are giving car. Here we are giving the brand, model and also field type. Then we are printing to get the display info of vehicle and car. So we have given Toyota as the brand name and model name is Corolla. So the output will be displayed as Toyota Corolla for the base class, which is vehicle, and for the child class, which is car, the output will be first the Tesla, then model A will come, and then fuel type is displayed. So this is the code for inheritance, which is going to make use of overriding concept and will make save some time. So in the next video we will be working with polymorphism. Thank you.